today we have Lauren here, and she's going to talk about the signature program and how well it worked for her, and how easy or how difficult it was, and challenges and things like that. So here you go. It's all you, Lauren.
All right. Signature program. I liked it a lot. It worked quite well because I have a lot to weight. I mean, I want to lose 60, 80 pounds, like a lot of weight, right? And in the past, I've been able to lose like little bits at a time, like little sprints. But the signature program is teaching me how to get through like the whole marathon. So, it's a continual weight loss over a long period of time and over a large amount of weight, which I was not necessarily able to do on my own before because I didn't know all the stuff about nutrition. There's so much science. I learned so much stuff about nutrition and then also just like biology and how your body processes stuff that I didn't know before. And that was my biggest hurdle was, the nutrition part, which is like 80% of the work when you try to lose large amounts of weight, right?
Yep.
So it was great. And the fitness part is awesome too because Kevin's always got like new stuff. Every time we do a workout, it's always something like that I haven't done before, which is awesome. So it's never boring. It's always fun, which is not something people always necessarily think about when they're trying to do fitness, especially if they've had problems with it before. But, I think it's been fun. And it hasn't been like super easy because you have to put the work into it. But it hasn't been, I wouldn't describe it as hard because you get a lot of support and Kevin is great at that. So he never really makes it seem like it's something hard. And the thing that I learned that was awesome was like about setbacks. Before, if I had a setback, I think I kind of ruined it and you got to start from scratch. But what I learned doing the signature program is that that's not necessarily true. So if you mess up a little bit, it doesn't derail your whole thing, which is a mental thing that's like a huge advantage to have once you start to realize stuff like that. So that's the main stuff that I got out of it was just the knowledge and also the ability the way that I look at things and the way to be able to get through problems that before might have, screwed me up a bit. So that's what it is, and it's been continuous. So far, we got like 27 pounds down.
Yep.
And we're gonna keep going. Standard program is done, but I know all the stuff that I learned from it that I can keep doing, and so here's the next 25, right? That's my next plan.
Yep.
Next couple months.
Tell them a little bit about the cooking part of it.
Oh,
like
yeah.
What you got out of that?
That's big too because I am not a chef. I'm not good at cooking, and I didn't barely cook anything at all before this. I did a lot of like frozen stuff or quick, little things because I didn't know how to really cook like fresh food and stuff. But once we started doing this, that's basically, it took me a while. You did a great job of like easing me into cooking so I didn't throw up my hands and be like, it's so much, which is what I always used to do. But it's great because all the recipes are delicious and they're easy enough for me to cook, and I had like no cooking experience. I don't think. I'm pretty low. So if you're thinking, I'm not a great cook,
you don't have to be.
Yeah, you don't have to be because I was not at all, and you definitely learn a lot of skills, which is great. And it does make a difference. I feel better in general, and it's a good life skill to have, being able to cook.
Yes.
So
it's a money saver.
It definitely is because, cooking a thing on my own, based on buying it where it's got all those preservatives and all that gross chemical stuff, and then like a million grams of sodium versus when I cook it at home, it's a lot better for me and it's cheaper. And it's kind of fun.
Okay, cool. All right, well, that's Lauren. That's her story. And we're going to get back at it. Today we're cooking a zucchini tots, which some of you have seen that, so we're going to do those today.
Awesome.
Anyway, signing out.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.